So here we are. I took both hoses off of here, left and right. This is welded on, so I wasn't able to remove this. It was welded. The pipe is welded down here at the bottom. I'm just going to leave that be. And as you can see, there's already a 3/8 inch hole for that 3/8 inch pipe. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my step drill bit and I'm going to bring it up to about 3/4 of an inch so I can get the male part of the other one. When it comes, it'll probably be about this size. So we will have to take the step bit, and I'll be showing you that next, or in the next video. Yeah, I'll just continue cleaning this thing up, taking all the rust out of it. I still have to take the rest of the rust out of the inside. I have some Rust Buster paint by Rust-Oleum. Once I get it all wire brushed and cleaned out fully, I will hit it with that Rust-Oleum, and hopefully that'll be the first layer of protection.